demo is going to be how to put in additional buildings in the background, because we do have our vanishing point, our horizon line going back, but a normal city just won't continue on to absolutely nothing. So I'm going to show you guys how to put on two buildings, one on each side. The first building we're going to put on is on the right side of our building. We want to decide whether we want a little bit of an alleyway right against splitting up these two buildings, or going right against it. I always like to leave a little bit of space. So where this orthogonal is coming down, we're going to figure out where we want to put their building in. It's going to go right around here. Turn your paper sideways, put your triangle up against that black strip, and you're going to draw from our sidewalk to this edge of the building right there, nice and light. Next, we're going to determine how tall we want our building to be. Is it taller than this building? Is it shorter? It's really up to you. I'm going to draw a shorter building here and a taller building on this side. So where that horizontal and that orthogonal meet, come in, put a triangle there. We're going to draw this building up to about here, straight up, and then the top of the building is straight across there. So we're going to come in and go straight across. Okay, that's the front of our building. What we don't see in the building looks something like this. We don't need to draw that. Now, since we're above our horizon line, we're going to go down to our vanishing point, deciding on how far back into space is it. Is it a really, really long building that keeps going back into space, or is it a little bit shorter building, something like this? It's really up to you, but again, from your corner to your vanishing point, lightly draw it. You don't have to draw all the way back if you know you're going to stop right about there. Come in, straight against that bottom edge, and straight down. That horizon line will disappear anyway, and then as we did our doors earlier, that line continues back. That will tell us exactly how tall our doors need to be. Fairly easy. Just remember that each building has a straight up and down, left and right, a straight across top and bottom, a straight across front, a straight across back, a to your vanishing point top, and a to your vanishing point bottom. Next building coming in over here, we want it straight. We're going to put in a nice tall building, leave a big space in between. We're going to come up to about here, straight across the bottom, up, do this nice and light. It's a really, really large building going back into space. So we're going to come across, turn everything sideways, make sure it's nice and even, straight across, straight up and down, left and right, straight across top, straight across bottom. We're going to go from here to our vanishing point, and then straight up and down, right back here. Now, since this is further back into space and really tall, if this is like a 6-7 story building, this back door all the way back here is like that big, it's super tiny. This might be 15-20 floors for a building. Alright, just make sure, again, everything's straight up and down, straight across, or if it goes on any angle, it goes to your vanishing point.